WhatsApp deleted messages feature let the sender remove sent message on WhatsApp before the receiver can see or read the deleted WhatsApp message. You got a prompt stating, "This message was deleted," and you can't recover or restore the deleted messages on WhatsApp. If you wish to restore your deleted chats and see deleted WhatsApp messages without any app, you can simply delete and reinstall WhatsApp. Read deleted messages using WhatsApp Chat Backup can be used if you have deleted a chat accidentally that you want to recover. In this video I will show you two methods to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. So, let us start. Method 1. Using Notification Log. Notification Log feature is available on most Android phones. To use the Notification Log feature, just follow the following steps. Please note that your phone's settings may have this slightly different depending on your manufacturer and Android version. Open the settings of your Android phone. Now go to Notifications. Then Advanced Settings. Tap on Notification History. Here you will find all the Android notifications from the past along with the erased WhatsApp messages which were showcased as notifications. If this trick not recover deleted WhatsApp messages for you, then you need to use a third-party application. Method 2. Use third-party apps. There are many Android applications that you can use in order to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. Go to Google Play Store and find the app WA-Mister and click on the Install button. Once the installation process is complete, launch the app and grant the necessary permissions in order to access the app. After giving the permissions, go back to the previous screen and select an app or apps for which you want to restore the notifications. From now every message that you will receive on WhatsApp, including the deleted messages, will be available on this application. I hope this video will help you recover WhatsApp deleted messages and you can see or read the deleted WhatsApp messages. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.